As you can see, keeping an overview of all peripheral devices can be quite exhausting. It not only costs time, but also nerves. But that doesn't have to be the case. The Wittmann Group offers a remedy with its Wittmann R technology one-screen solution. Today, I will show you how you can keep an overview of all peripheral devices via a central operating unit of the machine control system. And when we say all, we mean all. From the temperature control unit, the in-rain recycling, the R-New robot controller, to the integration of a higher-level MES system. And only Wittmann can do that. Nowadays, most peripheral devices have a screen to enable interaction between the operator and the device. However, as these devices are usually distributed around the injection molding machine, operation must also take place right there. Not so with Wittmann. In the smart WorkCell from Wittmann, you operate all your components within the production cell, from the machine to the peripheral devices to the automation technology, centrally via a control system. Or remotely from the comfort of your office. To make sure that the existing configuration is compatible with my next injection molding process, I checked the mold data sheet on the machine control system, and now I'll show you how that works. While our machine continues to produce, we prepare for the next process. To do this, we switch to the data records page and select our next data record, in our case, the Wittmann 4.0 data record. We then switch to the mold card. The mold card is our tool data sheet. The mold data sheet shows all the process-relevant parameters that we need for your next process. The mold data sheet also tells you which options you need. In our case, for example, we need 4 air valves and 2 temperature control points. Fortunately, the machine has 4 air valves and 8 temperature control points. In other words, the tool data sheet gives us the feedback that this process can be run on our machine. But that's not all. The tool data sheet also tells us which peripheral devices are required for this process via the Wittmann 4.0 point of use. For example, we can see here that the Tempo, the Atom, and the R9 are connected to our machine and are also shown in our tool data sheet. At the moment, we are still missing the Gravimax, but that is connected in a matter of seconds. Without the Wittmann 4.0 usage point, we have to supply all peripheral devices with information manually. The operator has to go from one device to the next in order to make the manual input. This can lead to incorrect entries. Faults on the devices are also not noticed by the machine and can affect the quality of the parts. The result of any influences can be noticeable in increased rejects and even machine downtimes. Not to mention the meters I've just covered. With Wittmann 4.0 point of use, you are ready for your next process in just a few steps. By loading the data record, all peripheral devices are automatically supplied with the latest information and your production is ready to go. Hello Marcus, nice to have you here.
Hello Vincent.
Marcus Stadler is our product specialist for Wittmann 4.0. Marcus, tell us, what makes Wittmann 4.0 so special for you?
Yes, Wittmann 4.0 is a great relief for our customers and shows what is technologically possible. Many years ago, I can remember a customer proudly showing us how he monitors his machine using a VNC connection via his laptop. Nowadays, he uses his tablet to monitor not only the machine from his office, but also all peripheral devices, changes temperatures and sets values.
And all this from one end device?
That's how it is. Whether laptop, smartphone, stand PC, everything is possible.
And this communication within this production cell between peripheral devices and the injection molding machine, is that all that Wittmann 4.0 can do?
No, Wittmann 4.0 can be configured individually for each of our customers and includes integration into our MES system, quality assurance, faster setup times thanks to data record storage, remote maintenance by our service technicians, and much more.
That saves you a lot of money at the end of the day.
That's how it is in ways.
That's what I call innovation. That's what I call Wittmann. We've heard a lot about Wittmann 4.0 today. If you need more information about your future Wittmann 4.0 Smart WorkCell, just visit us at www.wittmanngroup.com.